December 22nd, 2032, a space rock the size of a football field could really mess up our day.
This asteroid was possibly going to hit us this year and or in 2032 as of earlier this year, but we now know it won't hit the Earth. So that's obviously good news.
But scientists now believe asteroid 2024 YR4 could slam into the moon instead. There's only about a 4% chance of that, but if it does, that collision would have quite the impact.
That is coming in faster than a speeding bullet. If you blast out a hole that's a kilometer across, you're looking at millions of tons of material.
Here on Earth, we're likely to only see a spectacular meteor shower, but all that moon rock could have a huge impact on our growing satellite system, disrupting communication and navigation networks, as well as our ability to forecast the weather.
Space has done so much for humanity and society, and it will continue to do that. However, just like any other system, we need to have sufficient backups.
Because a rare asteroid moon crash isn't the only potential threat. Solar storms, satellite-on-satellite collisions, or a military attack can take out vital space infrastructure too.
If we get too reliant on space, and if we have other opportunities to do things, but we say, you know what, if we could do it from space, let's just do it from space, then we are setting ourselves up to be actually vulnerable to a wide range of issues.
This particular threat won't be visible to us again until 2028, when scientists believe they'll be able to determine whether a direct hit to the moon will occur. Until then, experts say even the small possibility of such a wide-scale satellite disruption should serve as a wake-up call.